Sir, sir, food is what keeps us alive and makes us feel strong and makes us to do work.
Okay.
Sir, we need energy to do everything like our works and to increase our height, and so we get that energy from the food.
Okay. Any other definition? Sudisha, Sriharsha.
Sir, to repair the replacement of damaged tissues.
Repair and replacement of damaged tissues.
To protect ourselves from the diseases.
Okay. Next. Next. That's all. So whether all the living beings require food or not, first thing,
Yes, sir.
all the living beings will require the food. Then only the living beings will survive, right?
Yes, sir.
Without
Food
food,
and
living
water.
beings cannot survive. We can stay without food for 1 or 2 days, but after that, the food is required to
We
produce the energy in our body, right?
feel weak, sir.
Yeah, mostly you can stay up to the week, no problem. But after the week, compulsory
We'll die.
required food for to produce
die.
energy in the body, right?
Yes, sir.
So without food, you can't stay for the longer. So, but where will get this food?
Sir, from plants and animals.
You will get the food from the plant source or the animal source.
Animal.
Then, which one will prepare their food on their own? Whether the plants or
Plants, sir.
Sir, plants.
it's the plants. Very good. So, how the plants will prepare the food? How the plants will prepare the food?
Sir, by
Sir.
photosynthesis.
Right?
Sir, by photosynthesis.
Very good. By photosynthesis, they will prepare the food. Plants will prepare the food on the photosynthesis process.
Sir, it needs sunlight, water, air.
Chlorophyll and carbon dioxide.
Yeah, what
Yes.
are the conditions for the photosynthesis?
Sir,
Sir,
sunlight,
it needs sunlight, water,
chlorophyll, and
yes,
the
and oxygen.
carbon dioxide.
Carbon dioxide. So plant prepare their
Food.
own food in the presence of
Photosynthesis.
sunlight,
Sunlight, water, carbon
water,
dioxide.
carbon dioxide. Okay,
Yes, sir.
in the presence of sunlight and the carbon dioxide. And what it will produce? What it will produce?
Sir, it will produce the oxygen.
It will produce the oxygen as well as glucose. That is a C6H12O6. So in terms of chemistry, if you say, we'll write as a 6CO2 plus 6H2O. Whenever the carbon dioxide and the water reacts in the presence of sunlight, it will produce C6H12O6 plus 6O2. Can you see this one?
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Yes.
sir.
Yes,
So
sir.
with the help of the photosynthesis process only, the plants will prepare their own food. So these are the important conditions required for the photosynthesis. What are the conditions, important conditions?
Sir, sunlight, water, carbon dioxide, and chlorophyll.
Yeah, very good. Chlorophyll also required. So chlorophyll means what? What is a chlorophyll?
Sir, the green pigment present in the leaf.
It is a green pigment present in the leaves, right?
Yes, sir.
So it is present inside the leaves. So with the help of that, it will prepare the food. Next one is a water. Third one,
Sunlight.
sunlight. And the fourth one,
Chlorophyll.
chlorophyll. Now, then why the food is very important? First thing, what is the functions of the food?
Sir, we need food to increase our height, to fight against bacteria, and to increase our immunity system.
So we need food to for the growth. First point is what is given.
For
We
the
need
growth.
food for the growth, to provide some energy for doing work inside our body. Suppose if you are not eating the food for 2 days, what you will do? How you will feel?
Weak.
Very weak and exhausted, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So you won't get energy to do some other work also, or you won't get enough energy to do walk also even. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
What is the third function? To repair and the replacement of the damaged tissues.
Third, by proteins.
Yeah, either it can be proteins or carbohydrates or the fats. But all these are coming with the help of the food only, right?
Yes, sir.
Proteins, fats, carbohydrates, all these are made up of food only, some type of food.
Yes.
Next one,
Yes, sir.
to provide resistance and the protection against disease from the infection. Do you understand this?
Sir, to protect us from diseases.
So when you're feeling healthy only, then only can have the protection against the disease, right?
Yes,
If you are
sir.
weak, what will happen?
The germs will enter our body
The
and
germs will enter
cause
our body.
diseases.
It will cause easily infection.
So fast.
The infection will occur easily, right? If you are
Yes,
feeling
sir.
weak. Next, any other is there? Any other point you want to add?
Sir, increasement of the immunity system.
Increasing of our immunity system, very good. Or else keeping our body warm. When you're eating good food only, it will keep our body at the normal temperature.
Yes, sir.
It will not decrease the temperature or it will not increase the temperature. Right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
And when you're taking the proper good food, it will help in the maintaining good health, right?
Yes, sir.
Helps in maintaining good health. If you're taking the healthy food only, you will be healthy. Otherwise, you'll be weak. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So these are the five or six different functions of the food. What are the six different functions?
Sir,
Sir.
helps in maintaining good health for their
Sir, for
growth,
their growth, to provide
provide
energy for doing work,
work,
for the
to repair the and
and
replacement of the damaged tissues,
to
and to provide resistance and
and
protection
protection
against
against
the
diseases from infection.
infections and keep their body warm.
Sorry.
Sir, and keep their body warm.
Okay. So these are the different functions of the food.
Okay, sir.
What about the others? Just don't know. Drona, what happened? Lohini, Drona. Joined very late today. Lohini and Drona, you can turn on your videos. If you go to one restaurant, itself,
There's
you will
many
find
different types of food.
different types of foods are there, right?
Yes,
If you are non-vegetarian, if you take the chicken item, how many varieties of chicken items are there in the restaurant? And 10 to 20 varieties will be there.
That's
Only
right.
on
Yes,
chicken.
sir.
If you are vegetarian now, based upon the
Sir,
paneer,
paneer.
based upon the paneer itself, very good Siddharth. So based upon the paneer itself, you will find 5 to 6 varieties.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So Siddharth, you are a vegetarian.
No, I'm both, sir. But I like paneer the most.
Okay, no problem. So if you go to the different places, you will find the different choice of the food. Suppose if you take South India, generally if you in the Telangana itself, you will eat more rice, less amount of chapatis, right? But if you go to North
Yes,
India,
sir. Sir, we'll find more people eating chapatis.
they will eat more chapatis and less amount of rice. So like that, if you go to the place also, the variety of the food will change.
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Sir, like roti, sir. They'll eat roti.
Today you rate roti. That for that only you are answering. Till now, you didn't answer anything.
No, sir. I didn't eat roti today.
Didn't eat roti.
No, sir. I
I
ate pani puri.
I thought you went for somewhat seeking only today also.
No, sir. I
No.
didn't sneak.
Okay, okay. Don't do that one, man. Are you listening to the class? Not at all responding before?
Yes, sir. I joined a little bit late, sir.
Okay, okay. Just turn on your video. Drona also, please. Sri Harsha. There is a final call for you, man. Okay. So if you go to the different places, you will find the different varieties of the food. Then, so I said 3 types, right? Animals are have the 3 types, are classified into 3 types. One is the omnivorous, herbivorous, and the carnivorous. Then what about the human beings?
Sir, omnivorous, sir. They
Human
eat
beings
both
are the
plants and animals.
omnivorous. Omnivorous means what? They will eat
Sir,
both
who
plants,
eats both veg and
Both
non-veg.
plants and animals.
both veg and non-veg, or else you can say as a both plants and animals. So omnivorous means which will consume both plants and animals to produce some energy. So where do you get the food?
Sir, from the plants and animals.
From the plants will get the food, and from the animals also will get the food. So can you tell me the what are the animal source of food?
Sir, chicken.
Sir, meat, milk, dairy
Meat,
products,
Eggs.
fish, and
eggs.
seafoods too.
Yeah, apart from these, I have given already some examples of the animal source like milk, meat, sorry, eggs, honey, and the meat. Apart from this, can you tell me some more examples? What are the source of food from the animals?
Sir, eggs.
Eggs. Already given the eggs, right? You are saying different eggs, not a hen eggs. Yeah, duck
Yeah.
eggs also is there, or some other eggs also is there, right? There are
Sir,
different types of
ostrich
eggs.
Sir, butter.
Butter. Butter is from the animals.
Sir, I think so, sir.
Yeah, animals only, right? From the
Sir,
milk only we'll get
it's
the
from
butter.
animals, sir. It's a milk product.
It's a milk product. Good. Don't say think so. Say it with confidence
Sir,
only.
cheese.
Okay, sir.
Cheese. Okay, you can say the direct products, not the substituent products of the milk. Like one said, seafood. Very
Sir,
good.
meat. Sir,
Meat.
meat, sir.
Meat, seafood, prawns, crabs, right?
Sir, squid.
Squid means?
Sir, it's not. It's a kind of an octopus, but it has 9 legs, sir.
Okay, okay.
Sir, where is Ashwath, sir?
Yeah, I too can't find the Ashwath.
Yes, sir, he looks green.
Okay. So, apart from the milk, eggs, honey, we'll get the seafood like prawns or crabs, like a mutton, chicken, these things. So if you go for others also, it will be different things will be there, pork and something will be there.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
So generally, most of the time we'll consume only the cooked food. We won't take the raw food, right? We
Yes,
won't
sir.
take direct vegetables. We'll
Yes,
first
sir.
cook the vegetables and we'll consume, because when you're cooking, what will happen? It will boil properly, or if any type of germs are there, it will be
It will
killed.
remove it, sir.
They will be killed, and we'll add some flavors like masalas or salt or pepper, something, so that we'll get the good taste, right? So instead of
Yes,
eating the
sir.
direct
Yes, sir.
food, we are doing the food for the cooking. Then afterwards, we'll eat the food for the flavor, for the good taste and smell. Then, can you see the 2 pictures? What are those 2 pictures?
Sir,
Sir, the sprouts.
Yes, sir. Proud, sir.
Crowds. Harsha is there.
sir, sir, can you scroll up, sir? I want to note down something.
Yeah, I
I'll
will give
just
you.
take a screenshot, sir.
Yeah, I will give you some time, Ashwath, in the last. Don't worry.
Yeah, sir.
Okay, Sri Harsha, turn
Okay,
on
sir.
your video. Very good. So, okay, tell me about the sprouts. What do you know about the sprouts? What are the advantages of sprouts?
Sir, if we put some seeds in the water, they will sprout, sir.
If you
The
put-
advantages of, sir, they have rich in nutrients.
They have rich in nutrients. Okay, very good. They are rich in proteins, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
They are rich in
Sir?
proteins. Yeah.
Sir, we can eat them and eat them like
Harsha, unmute yourself.
sir, we can eat that anytime like not for only for snacks, not only for lunch. Like anytime we can eat, sir.
Yeah, we can take the sprouts as a any time. We can eat it any time, like a breakfast or the lunch or the dinner. But don't consume the
And we can
sprouts.
make curries also with those.
Yeah, as a snack item also we'll take as a sprouts. But don't take in the time of lunch or dinner because at that time rice is also important, right?
Yes,
Other
sir.
nutrition is also important to our body.
And
So if
we have
you eat,
to eat different types of food, not only
yeah,
one.
we should eat the balanced food, balanced diet food. We should
Okay.
not take only proteins at a time. We should take all the type of vitamins, minerals, nutrients, right? So as a
Yes, sir.
snack
Yes, sir.
item, you can keep this as a sprouts, as a food. Drona, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Not at all opening your mouth, man.
Nothing, sir. I'm just listening. You were explaining, sir.
Okay. Now can you tell me what is the how the sprouts will look like?
Sir, sprouts look like a seed and a root or a stem coming out, sir.
Root or stem? There is a white color one thread-like structure will come out, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So have you tried the keeping the sprout cereals in the water like this?
No, sir. But I once tried with lemon seeds, sir.
You have tried with
Lemon seeds, sir.
lemon seeds.
Yeah, sir.
What you will get from the lemon seeds, man?
Sir, I just got a small plant, sir.
Okay, okay. You have done the experiment. Okay.
Sir,
I
It is good.
germinated it, sir.
So today you try in your home.
sir, it's good for us to eat. It's good and tasty for us to eat different sprouts
Mere
with
plant
lemon
and
and
Yeah, it's very good for the health. If you're taking the sprouts and eating in the early morning, it's very good for the health. So everyone try today itself. Take small amount of different types of sprouts or cereals and keep it in the water and check it tomorrow.
Sir, I'll show you tomorrow in the next class, sir.
Okay, no problem. Very good, Ashwath. Okay, everyone.
Okay, sir.
And you can eat in tomorrow morning or day after tomorrow morning. So day after tomorrow, it will become like a thread-like structure completely.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So next one. So what is the meaning of domesticated animals?
That means they are not they will not harm to us.
Sir, we can rear them as our pets.
Yeah, we can rear them as a pets or we can rear them in the farm.
So like
Houses.
dog, cats.
Dog, cats. These are the for
And
security
they will
purpose.
not harm
Yes, sir.
other animals.
Yeah. If you take the poultry farm, it is a domesticated hens only will be there, right? To get
Yes,
the
sir.
eggs and the meat. Okay. So domesticated animals are classified as a meat yielding or the milk yielding and the drought animals. What is the meaning of
Sir,
meat
they will-
yielding?
Sir, people will also grow tigers, sir, but for growing them every day we need to put 80 kgs of meat for them.
Okay. Don't say the tigers and all, man, here. It's very difficult, right?
Yes, sir.
And tiger is not a domesticated animal, first thing.
Yes, sir.
Ashwath will come out of the box only always. No problem. Okay. Next one is the ingredients. What is the meaning of ingredients? Suppose you're cooking one curry. Take
Sir,
what
the
I
ingredients
different-
needed to prepare a dish or food.
Which are needed to make.
Sir, the raw
Okay, okay.
materials needed
First
to
we'll
prepare
give
a
chance to the
potato
Sudisha.
filter.
Okay, Sudisha.
Sir, the things needed.
Sudisha, I can't see your face. I can see only your virtual background.
No, sir, by mistake you turned on. So, sir, things to make a curry or something.
Okay, you take an example of one curry and tell me what are the ingredients in that.
Sir,
Any one of your curry.
to cook, sir.
Take one example of any curry. You don't want to cook. Just you take as a one curry.
Sir,
What's your
Maggi,
curry
sir.
today? Maggie. Inside the Maggie, what will be there?
Sir,
Sir,
masala.
today, sir,
Sir,
today I ate.
masala, vegetable.
Wait. Sri Harsha, first Ashwath, be ready with your list. Yeah, Sri Harsha, what? Can you tell me?
Sir, noodles.
Yeah, in the noodles.
Sir,
What are the different ingredients?
Sir, the cakes like one there will be the noodles cakes.
Noodles, cakes. You're going completely different topic only. Noodles and different and cakes are different.
Sir, means not those cakes, sir. Noodles one, sir.
Okay.
Masalas.
Masalas.
Like
Ma'am,
onion.
sorry, sir, he's telling what cakes are like. He's telling that the first Maggie, sir, it will be in some kind of shape, right? It's a circle shape.
Okay.
That one.
Okay. So Sri Harsha will prepare the Maggie tomorrow next class and he will show to us. Okay, Sri
Okay.
Harsha?
Yes, sir.
Whether you'll share with your friends or only you will eat.
Sir, I will courier them in Amazon, sir.
You'll courier them in Amazon. Very good. Next.
Sir, vegetables like onions, green peas, is and some garlic, sir.
Sudisha, are you feeling bored?
No, sir.
I have asked you one example also, right? Tell me some. If you take one example as a curry and tell me what are the ingredients are there in that. Till now, I didn't reply.
Sir, till now I didn't even see how to cook, sir. But how do I know, sir? Sir, can I?
Okay. We'll see the Ashwath answer. Ashwath, say only one dish,
Sir.
man.
Sir, now only I ate pani puri and I joined late to the class, sir. So I'll tell the recipe of pani puri, sir.
Okay.
Sir, I think so. We need mushed aloo, cutted
So that's called
onions.
smashed potato, sir.
That's
Yes,
called
sir.
smashed potato.
Mashed potato.
Smashed potato, cutted onions, and cutted chilies, and
Okay.
that's for one thing, sir. And for pani puri, we need to get from the shop, sir.
Pani puri, how to get from the shop. Okay, good.
Yes,
Next.
sir. And for the pani, I don't know what to do, sir.
Okay.
I think so. For egg, we need garam masala.
What?
We need garam masala,
Okay.
and
some
I think
kind
so.
of
Water.
coriander, sir. A leafy material, sir.
Leafy
Yes, sir.
materials. There is a
I don't know
coriander.
about that, sir. I'm just telling some.
Okay, one day we'll come all to your home. Just you prepare the pani puri and give it to us.
And
It
sir,
will be
I'll give online pani puri, sir.
online pani puri. Okay, no problem. Okay. So
But
you
after
understand, right?
COVID, I'll give.
Yes, sir.
Okay, no problem. So ingredients means what? Whatever the different components are present in a particular food, that is called as an ingredients. As I said, Ashwath said, pani puri.
Sir,
Pani
I
puri
have a
means
doubt, sir. Sir, can you scroll up, sir? One time, I'm going to take a screenshot, sir.
Ashwath, I will give you time in the last, okay? Or
Okay,
else I'll
sir.
upload the notes in the Google Classroom. You can take from that only.
Sir, because I will not have time, sir. That's why.
Okay, no problem. You can, whenever you got the free time, you can write it down. Next one, edible parts. See, we have the two different things. One is the edible part. Another one is the non-edible things. Edible means what? Which we can eat. Edible means what?
Which you can
Sub-
eat, sir.
Substance are the food which we can eat or call as an edible substance. Non-edible means we should
Cannot
not
be
eat that
eaten.
type of food. That is called as a non-edible substance. So those part of a plant which can be eatable are called as an edible parts of the plants. What is the meaning of nectar? Do you know honey?
Sir,
Yes, sir.
sir,
Yes,
sweet
sir.
juice.
Sir, it's like a
obtained from
honey
the
hive,
seeds
sir.
of the
Sir,
plant,
honey is made by bees, sir.
Lohini will like explain us what is a honey. Lohini, unmute yourself.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. how the honey is prepared?
Sucking the honey is sucked from the honey hive.
Yeah, the honeybees will goes
Sir,
from
can I
place to
tell?
place.
Sir, can I tell?
Sir,
Wait,
I know full process, sir.
yeah,
Flowers.
I know
Even
you
one.
know all the things. Sudisha? Sudisha?
Sir, but I don't know biology, sir.
Okay, no problem. Sudisha, unmute yourself. Sudisha, unmute yourself. Sudisha, you can unmute yourself. Yeah, you are speaking without unmuting yourself first thing.
No, sir.
Yeah. What is this?
Actually, the
next-
tab was gone, sir. So I'm unable to search for it. So I'm just asking the shortcut Siri, sir.
Okay, okay.
Sir,
So-
can I tell?
Wait. What is a nectar? Sudisha, what is a nectar?
Sir, sir, I don't know how to explain, sir. It will be present in the what do we say? Flowers where bees and all those come, sir.
Sir, can I tell?
Drona will give chance to Drona. Drona is not at all
Yes,
speaking.
sir. Sir, nectar is the sweet. Nectar is the sweet substance present in the flower, sir.
Okay.
And honey suck it out and take it to the honey hive, sir, and store it, sir.
Yeah, very good. So nectar is a sweet juice
Sir?
present inside the flowers.
Yes, sir.
So the
Sir?
honeys will go and suck the nectar from the flowers and they will store in the honeycomb. Right?
Sir, actually,
Yes,
those
sir.
are honey. Sir, first the honeybees will go to the flowers. They'll take the nectar, sir. Then they will, in their body, there will be some process that will make the honey, and then the honeybee will give to another female bee. It will vomit into other female bee, and then the female bee will make the honey again.
Okay, very good. So just now discussed about the sprouted seeds also. So when you are keeping the cereals or the seeds in the water, it will become the sprouted seeds. And what about the herbivorous, carnivorous? What is the meaning of herbivorous?
Sir, herbivores
Sir, the
are animals that eat
Animals
only
which will
plants.
eat only the
Plants.
plant products.
Sir,
Or
carnivores
collagen?
is only eat animal products.
Only flesh it will eat. The carnivores are the substance which will eat only the flesh, not
And
the plants.
omnivorous is both, sir.
That is called as carnivorous. Examples of carnivorous are lion,
Tiger,
Tiger.
lion,
cheetah,
cheetah.
and all. Herbivorous examples:
Sir, cow, goat,
Sir, cow, goat.
goat, sheep,
Sir,
cow,
buffalo.
buffaloes. Next,
sir,
anyone?
pig.
Sir,
Sir, scavengers.
Scavengers are completely different.
cow.
Okay, sir.
Sudisha, any other example for the herbivorous?
Sir, bear.
Bat.
Bear.
Sir, bear is
Sir.
omnivorous, sir.
Sir, buffalo.
Buffalo. Okay.
Sir, can I
Sir,
tell?
can I tell?
Yeah,
Sir,
you can tell. No
panda.
problem.
Sir,
giraffe.
deer, sir.
Deer.
Sir,
Okay, very
giraffe.
good.
Sir, giraffe.
Giraffe.
Sir, hens. Sir, hens.
Sir,
Sir,
elephant.
Elephant. Very good. Ashwath.
Sir, hens.
Sir, hippo.
Sir, kangaroo.
Hippopotamus.
Hippopotamus. Okay.
Sir,
Sir,
kangaroo.
hens.
Kangaroo.
Kangaroo.
Animals. All the animals we will say now. List of the animals will come big. It's enough. Okay. Now understand, right?
Yes, sir.
Herbivorous means what? Which will eat only
Sir,
the plant
Only
products.
plant and
animals.
products. Sir.
Like fruits, flowers, seeds, and the nectar. Carnivorous means which will eat only the flesh.
Sir, the sh-
Sir,
the
Yeah.
cow will have one. It will have only one jaw of teeth, sir.
Okay. So next
Sir?
we'll go for the
sir, I have a doubt, sir, that whether honey is a plant product or an animal product, sir.
honey is an animal product only.
Okay, sir.
We are getting the nectar
Sir?
only from the plants, but afterwards it is according to the Ashwath he said, right? The honeybees will prepare the honey, right?
Okay,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
It's an animal product only. Now can you see the one picture here?
Yes, sir.
Wait. Sri Harsha,
Sir, your voice is
Sir, your
really
voice is
low,
very
sir.
low, sir.
now it is
Yeah,
clear.
sir.
Sorry.
Yeah, yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sorry. So Sriharsha, unmute yourself.
Sir,
Turn on your video also. Okay. You can see the different types of foods available on the tables, right? With the numbers
yes, sir.
1, 2,
Yes,
3,
sir.
4, 5, 6, 7. Can you
Yes,
tell me the
sir.
names of the foods?
Sir, first one is vada, sir. Second one is idli, sir. Third one is chapati. The fourth one is chicken. Fifth one is, what is it, sir?
What is
Sir,
it?
rice.
Sir, fifth one is fish, sir. Fish.
Fish. See, he knows
Sir,
everything.
sixth one is rice, sir.
Sixth, sir.
Next one is
Sixth
the
one is
Rice.
sir.
rice. So all these are the different source of food only, right? One
Yes,
is coming from the
Yes, sir.
animals, one is coming from the plants. Yes or no?
yes, sir.
What about the rice?
Excuse me, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, I actually have a doubt. When the honeybees suck the nectar out of a flower, what happens to the flower next, sir?
Nothing will happen to the flower.
I mean, sir, the flower will shred or it will reproduce the nectar, sir.
It will reproduce the nectar again. It will not shed completely. It will reproduce the nectar again.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay. So whatever the foods we are seeing on the table is coming from the different sources, right? Some are coming from the animal source and some are coming from the plant source. Now, can you tell me,
Yes.
Lohini?
Yes, sir.
Now you can see the 6 different types of food on the table. So
Yes.
what are the different types of food which are coming from the plant source? It's present on the table. Plant source.
Yes, sir.
So out of the 6 varieties, which are coming from the plant source and which are coming from the animal source?
Mm, 3, the third one, sixth one.
You can tell the names.
Okay, chapati, rice. Sir, I'm not getting the first picture. Second one, I guess.
Okay,
Idli, sir.
First one is a vada, second one is idli.
Oh, then vada, idli, chapati, rice.
Vada, idli, chapati and
Rice.
rice. So these are coming from the
Plants.
plant source. Remaining 2 foods are coming from the animal
And-
source.
Sir,
Right.
is sambar included on the table?
Sorry.
Sir,
Yes.
is the sambar included on the table?
he's asking about the sambar, sir.
Yeah, we will include the sambar in our daily diet. Don't worry. It is not there on the table. They are North Indians generally. That's why they didn't include the sambar.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Sambar is famous for South
But
Indian people,
sir,
right?
Sir, but
Yes, sir.
Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Sir,
Yeah.
left side one is South Indian food, sir. Right side one is North Indian food, sir.
Oh, really?
Sir,
Sir,
but
they will eat them
That's
more.
that's also correct. That I don't know that if that is correct, sir. But the first one, the first 2 are breakfast, and the last 4 are lunch and dinner, sir.
Very good.
Yes, sir.
Next, any other classification you are making on the tables?
Sir, what?
Sir, some are, sir, all are from the, sir, which are from plant source, they are from the grains, grains.
Grains is generally that wheat only, right? And this second food, idli.
Say this made idli batter, for that they will use one dal, no, sir. This also the seeds, no.
Sorry, Sriharsha.
Sir,
Sir, for idli they will use dal, no, sir, some dal.
Yeah.
That
Will you-
is also by seeds only, no, sir.
Yeah, that is also from the seeds. That is the seeds are getting from the plants only, right?
Yes, and the batter of vada is also seeds, and the rice grains are also seeds, sir.
Yeah. So this is a general topic. That's why we are discussing too much on this topic because this is a common topic, right? Food. See,
Yes,
Sudesha
sir.
also using some type of food now in the class. Sudesha, this is a class time. Okay.
yes.
Okay. So next we'll check from the food from the plants. And first thing is we'll classify the food from the plants into two types. One is the food from the flowering plants, and the second one is a food from the non-flowering plants. What is the difference here?
Sir, one plant have flowers and the other one don't.
Generally, if you see the
Yes.
plants, suppose if you take mushroom, whether a mushroom is a flowering plant or non-flowering
No,
plant.
sir.
Sir, flowering
It's,
Non-flowering
they're
plant.
not
Sir, not
Mushroom is a
flowering.
non-flowering
non-flowering,
plant.
sir.
Non-flowering plant. But if you take
Sir, I
cabbage,
have a doubt, sir.
yeah,
Sir, cabbage. Sir,
Sir,
cabbage and cauliflower.
cabbage and cauliflower will come from the flowering plants.
Flowering plants. Sir.
Okay,
Sir, I have
Ashwat?
a doubt,
Are
sir.
all from the flowering plant.
Yeah.
Sir, sometimes because of fungi and bacteria, the mushroom grows, right, sir?
Yeah.
What if people eat that mushroom, sir?
Generally, the mushroom will go on the dead and decaying matters. So before eating the mushroom, you should boil it properly. First thing, you should cook it properly before eating the mushrooms. Otherwise, it will have some side effects.
Sir, we should
We
not
can't.
eat the.
Sri Harsha,
Sir,
1
will
minute.
show the symptoms of vomiting, sir, and poisoning.
Yeah, if you are eating the mushroom directly, na, it will have side effects like vomiting or the headache and all. So it will have side
Sir?
effects. So we should, before the eating of mushroom, we should cook it properly. Yeah,
Yes,
Sri
sir.
Harsha.
Sir, we should not eat the mushrooms if they're on that black spots are there, so they're poisonous.
Yeah. Generally, mushrooms are different types are there. We should eat only good quality mushrooms only. Okay. So now we have already discussed about the photosynthesis, right?
Yes, sir.
In the starting of the
Yes,
plant
sir.
itself. Now, if you see the plants, different parts of the plants will give the different types of food. We can get the food as from the roots. Some plants will give food in the form of stem.
Leaves. Sir,
Some
leaves.
plants will provide the food in the form of leaves. Some plants will provide the food in the form of fruits, seeds, flowers, right?
Yes, sir.
Some plants will provide the food in the form of bark of the stem, like cardamom.
Sir, roots, roots.
Yeah, roots also. So first we'll come by step only. So different parts serves as a source of food for us, like fruits, vegetables, cereals, pulses. They are obtained from the
Sir,
different parts of
cereals, sir.
cereals. Okay. So different parts of the plant. Now, which are getting from the roots?
Sir, carrots,
Carrot,
spinach,
Sir,
Radish.
carrot, radish, beetroot,
beetroot,
potato.
turnip,
Sir, carrot,
sweet
radish,
potato,
turnip.
ginger.
and the beetroot.
Sir,
So all
ginger
these are the
also.
types of the food which are
Sir,
getting from
somebody
the.
are singing songs.
Who is it? Who is it?
Sir, I
Sir,
don't
I
know.
think.
See. So roots of the plants means, suppose the foods we are getting from the roots of the plants, examples are carrot, beetroot. Generally, these foods will go under the soil, right?
Yes, sir.
So what is the source of carrot? What is the main mineral present in the carrot? Anyone knows? Vitamin A, which is good for the health of eyes. So if you have any disease related to the eye diseases, we'll eat carrot.
Sir, night
Sir,
blindness. Sir,
Sir.
night blindness.
Night blindness. Okay, very good. Yeah, Ashwath.
Sir, deficiency of vitamin A causes night blindness.
Yeah, night blindness will get. So to get the vitamin A, we'll eat mostly the carrot. So these things we'll study in the next chapter, like components of the food. Okay. Now can you tell me the
Okay, sir.
stem of the plants which provides as a food?
Sir,
Sir,
Potato.
potato,
Sugar candy.
Sugar candy or sugar cane. Next, potatoes. Potato is also a modified stem only. Next, anyone? Drona?
Sir, onion.
Onions. Okay, good.
Sir, ginger.
Ginger also very good. Next, anyone? Ginger is also a modified stem only. Next. You can see here. The stem of the certain plants are eatable or edible. Example, the stem of the sugar
Sir,
cane.
banana.
which is used into making sugar. The stem of the flowers of banana plant, which is cooked. Do you know how you eaten the banana curry?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
No, sir.
Generally,
Sir,
they will
I
eat in the Tamil Nadu.
also.
Okay, okay. This banana stem curry is there, right? They will prepare in the Tamil Nadu mostly, not in our state, in Telangana. But in Tamil Nadu, if you go to Tamil Nadu, some
Sir.
places, na,
I didn't eat a tomato curry, but I ate I didn't eat a banana curry, but I ate banana chips, sir.
okay, okay, good, no problem.
Sir,
Banana-
I also ate banana chips.
Okay, but if you go to Tamil Nadu area like this, South India, down south, you'll find the banana curry also, which are preparing from the banana plant stem. Next one, onion, potatoes. So
Sir,
these are the
cabbage.
cabbage is different, right? That is the surface one only, right?
Okay, sir.
Okay. Cabbage comes under the leaves. So leaves of the plant which will provide the food is the cabbage,
Sir, cabbage, spinach,
coriander,
coriander.
basil,
Yes, sir.
spinach, and the lettuce. So these are the
Sir, from which part of the plant mustard seeds will come from?
which part of the plant?
Mustard seeds will come from mustard.
Mustard seeds will come from the
Sir, you get mustard oil from mustard seeds, right?
seeds.
Sir,
Where
we
you will
get
get
mustard seeds from the seeds, sir.
seeds only. You will get only that is, there is no other which part, right? Seed is also one part of the plant only, right?
Yes, sir.
Next one, flowers like
Sir, I have a doubt.
cauliflower, broccoli, and the banana. Yeah.
Sir, my doubt is that stem growing plants are also there, no, sir? Like, if we cut the stem of rose and put it into the soil, it will again grow back, no, sir?
Yeah.
Like that, but here mustard seeds we're going to plant. So, like that only, why can't we plant rose flower?
See, rose is a different thing. In the rose flower, you don't have the seeds, right? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
So
sir.
just only petals and the sepals are there in the rose. But if you take the some part of the stem of the rose plant and keep it in the ground, it will grow. So plants are two different types are there. One is a which are getting from the seeds. Another one is a propagative propagation, means which are coming from the plant stems only.
Yes, sir. You cut the
So-
stem and replant.
We'll keep it in the soil. So these things we'll study in the higher classes, whether the plant is growing from the seeds or from the stem.
Sir, but why don't rose plant also produce seeds?
Rose plants cannot produce the seeds because these will produce only the flowers, right? There is no fruits. If you say mango, it will produce the first flower, then the seed and the fruit, right? The inside pickle will throw out, now it will again grow into the plant. But the rose don't have any type of seeds.
Yes, sir.
So it will grow with the help of the one name is there for that. I'll tell you that name in the next class.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Next one, flowers of certain plants like cauliflower, broccoli, and the banana. Next, any other example is there? Have you eaten the sweet gulakand?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No one.
What do you call that in English, sir?
Sorry,
What do you say that in English, sir?
which one? Gulakand sweet is there. In English only, it is a sweet name is gulakand.
Sir, what
don't
is
know.
gulakand?
It's a one type of sweet which is made up of rose petals and all.
Okay, sir.
Sir, I didn't eat, sir.
Okay, okay, no problem. Next.
Sir, I ate broccoli, sir.
Okay, okay, that's good for health.
Sir.
Sir,
Yeah.
everyone's eaten broccoli, sir.
Seeds from the pulses like moong, kidney beans, chicken pea, and the cereals like wheat, maize, rice. These things are already, right? Which are coming from the
Yes, sir.
seeds of the plants.
Yes, sir.
So what about these?
Sir, these are fruits and
Sir,
vegetables.
fruits and
Fruits
vegetables.
and vegetables,
Like
sir.
apple, banana, watermelon, cherries, mangoes.
So all these are
Apple,
the plant
banana,
products only, right?
cherries, apple, banana,
Yes, sir.
So
bottle
the
gourd.
plants will produce the food in the
Fruits
form
and
of
vegetables.
fruits in the form of
And-
stem or in the form of leaves in some cases. Or the
Roots.
plant will store the food in the form of fruits and vegetables also.
Yes, sir.
Sir, plants store the energy in the form of starch, Archana.
Starch that is in the leaves only, right? Plants will store the energy in the form of starch in leaves only, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So what are the energy you're getting from the plants that is stored in the form of starch only? Either you're getting from the leaves or getting from the
Sir, spores
stem.
are also there, sir, under the leaf.
Sorry,
Spores, sir.
spores. Yeah, spores will be there with the leaves.
Spores.
Spores will be there with the leaves, but that is a different concept again.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so the fruits and vegetables also provides the. Sorry, some plants also store the energy in the form of fruits and vegetables. Example: apple, banana,
Watermelon, cherries,
watermelon,
mangoes,
cherries, mangoes,
peas,
peas,
lettuce, cucumber,
lettuce,
water
cucumber,
gourd,
and the bottle gourd.
carrot.
Carrot. That is in the form of stem. I'm saying this is in the form of fruits.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So next class we'll study about the animal food from the animal source, like chicken, prawns, mutton, everything.
Okay, sir.
Honey.
Okay, sir.
Then what is your homework today?